And then, the following day, kasama ko yung mga, I picked up my leaders, some of my leaders, and then they saw me here, and kasi nag-announce po ako sa Facebook ko, kasi just in case may number ulit na magganon sa kanila, you know, just a warning. And then they go, are you sure? 60K? Kasi parang walang nangyari po. Kasi I'm really happy, and this and that. Sabi ko, ano bang gagawin ko? Iiyak ako, and then, you know, my momentum is like this. But if that was me before, I think, andun lang ako sa room. You know, I'm just gonna stay in my room, and then that's it. Forget about Riway. That was me before. But talagang ibang Riway, no? Kasi Riway is, you know, here in Riway, if you are well-trained and well-equipped, you know how to handle situations. And my tuition fee is only 170K. Diba? Tama po? So, 60K gone. After 2 weeks, I just parked the car near my family doctor's street. Someone bumped it. Grabe. Binundol po yung kotse ko. Walang kalaban-laban yung sasakyan, nakapark lang. So, I didn't have the car. After 2 weeks na po, this is my journey. This was actually my journey when I was fighting for my stars. My momentum again is here. Sabi ko, 60K. Mas malaki-laki ito. And then, it was hit and run. And then I go, sabi ko pa dun kasi I didn't notice it at first. So I go, sabi ko po dun, kasi naglabasan, akala ko naman, nandun lang sila. So I go, Sir, I parked the car here, sorry kasi I think you're gonna go in. And he goes, Ma'am, didn't you notice your car? And then I was like, wow. The thing as in, hindi, not drivable. And that was what? 12 midnight. I was in my doctor's appointment doing the Riway business. Because my family doctor believed in Riway. Actually, he doesn't believe in food supplement at all. But now, because of 4 years stem cell placenta, your placenta, he believed and he invested millionaire's account. The story was I had this anxiety that lead to panic attacks. That's my story. Twice a week, I go to my doctor in Manila. So from Indang to Manila, every week, twice a week. And then I had this insomnia and then weak lungs. Yun po yung ano ko. That's why when he noticed that something is, you know, change, sabi niya, you're a bit different now. Well, doc, this is it. Have a think about it. So yeah. So he believed. Now he said, okay, I have a program every Thursday, a radio program. And he said, what I'm going to do is to do this. Give a food supplement a chance. So yun yung magiging program po niya. Di ba po? So, yun. Nandun po sa Honda ngayon yung sasakyan ko. And then, it was hit and run. But the following day, thank God, yung nakabundol, hinanap po ako. So now, meron po kami yung sabi ko sa kanya, bigyan lang po ako ng service car at the moment. And then, sabi nga ng mga barangay doon, even the police, you're not upset? I am upset. But you know, when you are, what do you call that? Kasi nilabas ni Riway yung the best version, you know, of myself. So it's different. Hindi yung pero parang, bakit ka nangyayari? Kasi inisip ko, itong nakabundol sa akin, baka makuha ko pa din sa Riway. Malupit! And At the same time, sabi ko nga po kanina sa inyo, you know, my friends know na hindi, they can ask me to sleep over at their house kasi namamahay po ako eh. So I need to go home. Going home from here, it will take me minsan 4 hours na. Why? I'm really tired and exhausted. So I always sleep maybe 15 minutes to 20 minutes. I just park the car sa mga gasoline station 3 times going home. So it's really hard po, no? So it's not easy to reach your goal. At the same time, kasi fighting for the stars. So inisip ko, hindi mo na ako uwi na lang kasi napapagod ako talaga. First time out of my comfort zone. So, alam niyo po kung saan ako nag-check-in. Nag-check-in po ako sa hotel. Hotel sa Sogo. Ang tanong po lang sa akin ganito, Ma'am, may kasama kayo? Sabi ko, nagalit pa ako eh. Sabi ko, do you think may kasama ako? Sabi ko, talaga ba? May kasama ba ako talaga? So, hindi sila sanay, yaman. Mag-isa ka lang. So, yeah. So, 2 weeks na po ako hindi nakaka-uwi. Lagi po akong check-in, no? Parang yaman, no? You know, reaching my 3 stars also, tayo-tayo na lang kung makakalamas, secret lang. Kasi syempre, wala kang damit, hindi ka umuwi. So, for 3 days, nag-shower naman po ako. But you know my clothes? I still wear the same clothes. For 3 days, dinaan ko na lang sa pabango eh. At sabi pa sa akin ng mga nakasalubong ko, ang bango naman, good. So did you know? See? You see? You know, the sacrifices that I encountered, I do give just for Riway. And then, at the same time, it's my birthday this month. My birthday gift po sana sa sarili ko is to have a new car. Ben, no? Inunahan pa ako ng situation. So sabi ko, siguro kaya na naman. But did you know that I love my leaders, my team? Nandiyan po sila. Muntinlupa team. And I don't know if Makati team is there. We're all there. Sabi ko, yung ano po yun? Down ko ng kotse, ibibigay ko muna sa team namin para maka 2 stars, 3 stars rin sila. Yun po talaga. So, reaching your goal is not that easy. It's not straight path. But with the help of my leaders, and of course, your leaders as well, you just need to believe. You just need to believe in them. Na they're leading you to the right path, not the wrong path. They know what's best for you. It's not for them. Kasi ngayon ko lang nakaisip na talagang lahat ng sinabi nila talagang tama. Alam ko namang tama rin, pero hindi ko ginagawa tigas-tigas ulo. So bago ma-reach. But still, you know, I am grateful to God and I'm thankful that they are my leaders. Okay po. So sana po, meron po kayong natutunan. May natutunan po ba kayo? So, sana po meron po kayong natutunan sa mga sinabi ko po. Sa mga nag-i-start po, achievable. Sa mga nandiyan na po na talagang ito na pa-fly pa ulit, alam nyo naman po na talagang kayang-kaya pala talaga. So, maraming salamat po and